So this one, we're gonna place it really fast because we don't want this to give it a twist. Okay, can you get that for me before it gets into place them, give a little bit pressures. You don't have to put this really hard. I can use my picker. Okay, go in. Place another one in there. Make sure they are lean tight together. Here, let me do this. It's much better for me. It's like, wait a minute, I can't. My pickers. Great. Oops, sorry. I am gonna flash cure it for 30 seconds quick. Make sure you stay in the frame. You don't want them to be too bulky on the side. It's gonna catch anything. Cure quick before this one start get melting because I under a lot of lights right now. A lot of lamp. Okay. Great. Just one. Before I cure it, I'm not gonna forget. I'm gonna lay one of this right here. And now I can cure it. Seconds. 30 seconds. Flash cure, everyone.
That's mistake.
It's okay, it's good. I'm gonna take it out in 30 seconds. What you using a nail clipper? Great. I'm flash cure. The reason it is because then it's only way to keep secure and not running. Because when you're doing this, you want to flash cure first before you start dressing them up. Otherwise, you're getting really frustrated because they keep running because they kept heavy. So this part we're gonna fill with precision glue, and we can dress some crystal here if we want, and that's way it won't catching anything at all. If you want just like that, just leave it alone. But if you want some more and like crystal them up, then it's gonna look so stunning and beautiful as well. So let's dress this one up before we move to the next one, so then we get a nice one finish. So when you do this, make sure you give a little bit, just a little bit pressure, so then they're gonna stay like their base, their pointed back will concrete, you know, anchors into the condensed glue gel. If you can see that, the base is stay really tight there. Then it's not gonna go anywhere. Really, you have a hard time to get it off, which is, don't worry, we have the tool for that off. It's not gonna come off because you don't want this to be come off. You want this 3D to stay. So I'm gonna get a smaller amount of condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna get this. Accidentally get into my crystal. I'm gonna wipe it off because it's okay, because I'm gonna wipe off right before I cure it. I can dress this one up nicely, so then let me see. Great. I'm gonna wipe my brush off and then cap on, so then it won't cure my brush. No white top coat. Can you check its Facebook? Can Facebook see me? Gentle, go around. That's a great night tonight. Really good, productive night tonight. Like, I'm so happy I got to share with you like a tip and trick for the tips. If you do exactly what I'm sharing with you, I promise your nail, the structure, the shape, you're gonna be so much happier for you. If you wonder, because I'm not supposed to wipe with my hand. You don't want that. All right, so do you want to see some of crystal, some neon? Can I have another tray here?
What was you looking for?
The empty tray. It's okay. I'm about to get some empty tray because there's so many crystal in here. I get oh my god, it's gonna look so awesome. Randomly neon, because this is who were asking neon. This is for you, neon crystal 3D, and we're doing I love the neons. Neon is just so happy. It's vibrant, happy. You will never go wrong with this. So I'm doing it like really tight, close together. Doesn't matter what colors you want to pick, as long as you pick them. As long as they are really close together. That's always why I'm always repeating it, because just in case of all of you who's worrying, like you don't know if you're gonna do it right, or you don't know if your crystal placement looks good. As long as you place them together, give it yourself like 1 or 2 times a try. As long as they are tight and close together, usually come out with really nice design. Can I get some more pink? Smaller pink. I would like to see some more of pink. Sarah did really nice video today. She did cool, a lot of stunning fusion ink today. It's so amazing. If any of you got a chance to watch her today, I really like. Sarah, that's good. Brad's going to do live tomorrow. He's gonna come up with some really cool thing, and he's gonna do some stickers in design for springtime. Oh, I found some green. You know what I miss? I didn't get blue.
That's okay.
I didn't get the blue. How's that happen? Just realized that. Where's the blue go? Okay, we're gonna add the blue right here. It's hidden there. And then I can do blue right there. I looked and said, looks pretty, but it's missing something. I didn't remember, so what I'm missing something. I said, this must be something I will keep missing. Didn't remember at all. Okay, now you pick the beads. Should we do a rose gold again? Rose gold beads. Okay, where's the rose gold? I'm looking for rose gold.
At the bottom. No.
Nope.
Yeah.
Going to using my twin tip brush. Pick up some extras in there. Condensed glue gel and top coat. Up, touching my paper. This one I can pick up so many at the same time, and without worry about is getting on. It looks kind of messy right now because I picked them up. Okay. And if the clients just want that, just neons only, then you're completely done. You just put in the LED lamp, cure for 60 seconds, precision glue, and you'll be done. But if the clients want to get like the beads on to make it look like a jewelry, then you can place them on and cure it after you're happy with what you get. Sorry, I try to